Welcome to Nature Glory Cabin Off-Road. In this episode, Offroad and Overland Unlimited in Georgetown, Kentucky is installing a winch on our 2023 Rubicon. And in so doing, you have to install a winch plate, and also we're installing Utah Design and Foundry block-off plates that go behind the steel bumper once we bob them on the ends.
Yeah, no, this is all steel factory. Oh. I need to plan on fabricating again. No, that should be good.
One down.
That one had a clip that broke over there, so I have to wait till we get it off to finish that one.
Hooks in either one.
They come off with the bumper.
So the inner ones, they come off too, right? That plate goes there.
I believe so. That's what I was looking at.
A lot of these.
Definitely went through some spells with the winches. Seems like it dried up a little bit, but
I normally do a lot of this stuff myself, but I'm never. A bull bar doesn't look like the strongest thing in the world.
no, mostly for looks out.
That one hangs off a little bit, but I think it'll still reach it just fine.
Alright. Got those cutters still.
New ones?
Yeah, those. Nope, not those. I want to get this secured up on this. Get it off that bracket right there. We're going to feed that.
That good there?
Yeah.
At least these little inner fenders are flexible
Yeah.
instead of having to pull the whole thing out.
I'm sure that wasn't their intent. I'm sure their intent was to make it cheap.
Right, yeah. Yeah. Well, you know, when they first came out, they were too flexible and they were blowing back and rubbing people's tires. And there was a recall on them for a while.
Really?
Yep.
Is that when they went to JL or JK?
JL. I missed my turnoff.
You could just run it next to all the belts like some people do.
I'd rather not.
I'm harder on mine than this one is.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Which one is it?
Oh, I don't even know. I just got the core stuck in there, so I can't even tell you, unfortunately. It's one of them hardcore bluegrass ones we was listening to the other day.
Hardcore bluegrass.
That's what isn't that what they called it?
I don't even remember. Just sounds.
Alright.
Sometimes it beeps and sometimes it doesn't. What's the difference?
Say again, so when it gets to the torque.
I heard it. Well, I didn't hear it beep. I didn't hear it beep just then. I only heard it beep once. I can see the colors obviously when it's green. It's torque. But
So if I don't get to the torque
right.
and grab it again,
I didn't hear it beep then.
it just beeped.
Oh, did it? Okay. Well, I'm deaf. I saw the color.
You probably heard
the
the
colors are for me.
Water. Oh, you're here.
Oh.
Yep. Yeah.
This is something we're going to have to fix later. These won't go all the way around. We'll have to cut it.
Yeah.
No. Give me this.
Maybe that.
Coming up with a couple of before and after pics. I didn't get great ones, but this is what I have. I hope everybody's enjoyed this. Appreciate your time. Like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.